Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Black Shark Pad 7 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So all you need to do is to open the recents, and depending what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the 3-button navigation, simply tap on the button that is displayed on the right. It will open the recents. Those are those lines, let's say. And if you've got the gestures, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center and hold your finger somewhere here. So do something like that. And here we've got the recents. So here all you need to do is to tap on clear all, and as you can see here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.